Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing a 6 month later video of this soundbar here. This is the Blaupunkt SBA20. This was a 16 watt soundbar and I did the unboxing and review of this 6 months back, but I still get a lot of questions about this one, so I thought why not, let's go ahead and do a 6 month later review of this, especially because I have a few updates about this which I got wrong in the first review. So starting with this, initially I got a lot of problems with this. When I connected this with my laptop, the sound of this constantly dropped. There were interruptions in the sound play, music play, or whatever. I thought that it was a problem of this one, but it was actually a problem of the Bluetooth receiver. And actually I was using an older version of Windows. I don't know why. It should have worked perfectly, but then I updated my laptop and then the problem went away. There was never any problem when I connected with my mobile phone, and now when I connect with my laptop, it works perfectly fine. There is not any issue, and especially I bought this for around 1200. Now the price of this has increased to 1600 or 1700, but for that price at 1200 or 1300, the sound clarity of this is really beautiful. I have no complaints with this anymore now, and this works perfectly. And I'll be doing the sound test of that by the end of the video, so be with us till the end if you want to listen to the sound test. This is another thing I wanted to do, because in the original review I had to change the sound. There's a little bit of confession here. The sound test that I did there, I had to change the sound because there was a copyright strike, so I could not keep that. So that's the reason, that's one of the reason I wanted to do this, so that I can play an authentic music clip in this one and you can have an idea like how this sounds. Now another point which I made a mistake on, that one was, let me just show you that time I was not aware of this, but let me just show you right now. Yeah, so when this is attached, you cannot see properly here. Like, this has two speakers, but initially in my review I said that this is just a piece of plastic and this is just for show, but I stand corrected, and when I'm wrong I like to admit that. So this is not a piece of plastic, this is a passive radiator. As you can see, this moves. So when the sound comes, this helps with the sound output. So this is a good design, and this actually helps with the sound clarity. So as I said, these are 16 watt speakers here, very good quality. It's surprisingly at 1200 rupees, this gives surprisingly clear sound, very loud. The bass of this is not that much, but it's okay. I would say it's more than enough. It's more than enough for to watch any movies. It's more than sufficient if you want to connect it with your TV. Now I've already covered these all the modes of that, so I won't be going that again in this one. I'll put the link of the review video up somewhere in the description below. Do check it out if you have to. So another thing I missed last time is there is a mic here, so you can theoretically you can take calls from this, but I won't suggest you to do that because the quality of that is really bad. So yeah, just keep it to your sound consumption. So again, we have a card here, so I would like to update here. The card does not work for some reason, but I don't use that, so it's okay. And rest of that, the AUX output, this works perfectly fine. USB, you can attach your pen drive with MP3 files, it will run. And of course the charging. Now coming to the charging, is it was listed at around, this is a 2000 mAh battery, and they said that in a single charge this will last for around 7 hours. So even earlier it did not last 7 hours. For me it was like at most 4 hours, and with time, after 6 months, that has actually gone down. This, if I listen to something at even 60% volume on this one, at around 1 to 2 hours the charge of this goes away. At most, like, expect around 2 hours of sound output from this. Alright guys, now it is time for the sound test of this sound bar. As you heard, quite loud, so I hope that gives you a fair idea how the sound of this soundbar sounds like. So that was my 6-month review of this one. If you have any questions, do put in the comment section and I'll answer each and every one of you. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Goodbye.